Hi, this is Fred with Quality One Engravers. I'm going to show you how you can make a listing of the font characters that are available in any specific font in EngraveLab. The way you do it is you click on the text tool and you right mouse click on Text Compose, and that will bring up this font detective. And what you want to do is select the font. Right now I'm in the group Q&E, but of course you could go to all fonts, but why would you use anything but the Q&E fonts? Anyways, I'm going to arrow down and figure out a font that I want to bring up, and let me just pick maybe Varsity here and select. And this is what comes up on the screen. Now, there is a little bit of a problem here because you cannot take any of these letters and copy and paste it anywhere. So what I've discovered is that if you double click on this, you can see that it's in a paragraph text. So I'm on the first line here, and I'm going to click on End and hit Delete. And then the End key, and delete, and delete, and delete, and delete, and delete, and so forth until I get to all of the lines. And if I hit F7, you can see now it's all on one line. So once it's all on one line, then you can go to On Group. And then when you come down to it, you can pick out individual. We're supposed to be able to. Now you can pick out individual letters. And this is still text. Okay, so if there were two pieces to it like this colon, and you moved it around, then of course only one letter, one dot would move. Okay, so let me show you a reason why you would want to do that. Let me go ahead and just Control A and delete everything. I'm going to do the same thing. Click on my text tool, right mouse click. Again, I'm going to stick with my Q&E group, and I'm going to go down to the bottom here where I have my symbols. And I'll click S2 and click on Select. So here's a group of symbols that, as you can see, many of them are quite a bit wider than they are tall. So that's why it doesn't really look like what you did with a font. So. And you can see there's a lot of stuff down here that doesn't exist. So I'm going to see if this works. I'm going to hit the End and delete and delete and delete and delete and delete and delete. And okay, so I got it by doing the End Delete. I got it now down to one line, and then I'm going to go Layout and On Group. And I've tried other ways of doing it, but this was the only way that worked. So let's say, for example, the reason for doing this is maybe all you wanted to do was just collect these three symbols. So this was going to be used. This one was going to be used over in the right hand corner. This one was going to be used in the bottom corner, and this one, oops, this one would go over here, and of course this one would go over here on your sign that you were creating. And it's nice that it all stays together because you can see that this was made up of several segments. So anyways, this is an easy way to do it. You may want to take something like this and just bring it all back into one plate and save it as a font, so you don't have to do the End Delete. But I hope this helped.